First of all, guys, it's completely normal for a small amount of earwax to form in your cat's ears. Excessive wax buildup can occur, however, if your cat has a bacterial infection, allergies, systemic inflammation, a yeast infection, or ear mites. The breed of cat also can have something to do with this. Batman and Robin are of the Devon Rex breed. This breed is infamous for ear problems, and sure enough, both of them have had it. Robin has food allergies, so he has buildup in his ears from time to time. And Batman gets ear mites. We get treatment from the vet, they're fine for a while, and then it pops back up again. And it's never just one of them, because they pass it back and forth, you know? And this one, he never even gets waxed in his ears. I've only had to clean his ears once in 2.5 years this one. What are you gonna do? Batman's got that crap again. What are you doing, man? The most common cause of cat ear problems is ear mites. And these are commonly mistaken for earwax. Ear mites are tiny parasites that are microscopic. They feed off the wax in your cat's ear and actually stimulate the wax-producing glands inside the ear. While the mites might be tiny, their presence can cause inflammation and irritation, and even lead to more severe ear infections. Normal earwax is a lighter brown color and doesn't give off an odor. The wax in a cat's ears with ear mites is a darker brown or black and sort of looks like coffee grounds. How often should you clean a cat's ears? Well, the standard answer is 1 to 2 times a week. You should make it a habit to regularly check inside your cat's ears first of all, so that you can be on the lookout for any possible problem or potential infections. It's easiest to just incorporate this into their grooming routine once a week. It also depends on your cat's habits though. If they are a house cat, you may rarely have to clean their ears. But if you have a cat that goes outdoors and is always into something, they may need their ears cleaned on a more regular basis. So, how do you actually clean a cat's ears? Come on, Batman. Let's do it. Here's some tips. It's best to grab them when they are in a relaxed state of mind, like when they're just waking up, or maybe when you groom them. Hey, come on, man. This makes the process smoother for both of you. Turn their ear inside out so you can see into their ear canal. After that, look for any indicators of an ear infection. These would be odd smelling odor, bald patches or scaly skin, excessive earwax, excessive head shaking and scratching of the ears, Ears are tender to the touch. If your cat displays any of these symptoms, seek the advice of your vet. If your cat's ears are healthy, they won't have too much earwax or dirt, and they are a pale pink color. If this is the case, then there is no need to clean your cat's ears. If there is some wax or dirt in the ears, then you'll need some cat ear cleaner, which you can get from your local pet store. And you'll need a moist cotton ball. To clean the ears, simply apply some of the cleaner to the moist cotton ball and carefully wipe away any wax or dirt. Now, if your cat isn't used to having their ears handled, you better get ready. You may even have to ask somebody to help you hold your cat still. But remind them to make sure that their life insurance is paid up. After cleaning your cat's ears, make sure to give them a treat. This can get your cat to associate getting their ears clean with a positive experience. Look, if none of this works and your cat's not having it, don't persist. Stop. Take them to the vet instead. They may be able to help. But remind them to make sure their life insurance is paid up.